So are you looking to start a food truck? Well, this is part 2 in a series of 5 videos to give you a great foundation to understand how to start a food truck from scratch. So sit back and watch.
Welcome to Marketing Food Online, YouTube's food entrepreneur channel. In this video we will cover our second video for food truck beginners. We will cover food handling permitting and local health department permitting. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos we upload all week. And give us a like. Let's get started. Do you need a food handler permit? A food handler permit is also known as food handler license or food handler certificate, is granted when you complete food handler training program along with a food safety course. In many states, the manager on duty is required to obtain the permit. Several states only require one or more employee to have a valid permit at all times if food is to be handled, cooked, or stored on the food truck. The permit provides customers with assurance that your food truck employee is knowledgeable and skilled in sanitary and safe food handling strategies. Making sure your manager of the food truck is certified also means that a health inspector can be sure that someone on staff has the needed knowledge of food safety. A food handler permit usually only cost less than $40 and are good for 5 years. A city will usually require most, and potentially all employees who work on a food truck to have their food handler certificate and require the cards are viewable to the public. To get a food handler permits, there is a website called ServSafe website to order the study material and find a testing site near you. What are the potential health department permit? A local health department will issue a permit, or food service licenses, and are issued by the local health department office, and will show that your truck passed the needed health inspection. A representative from the local health department will inspect your truck in search of health codes violation and provide the food truck staff with notes on what to correct along with the official grade for your truck. They make sure there is proper food storage, everything on the food truck is clean, and that clear and specific HACCP plan is in place. You may find that your city will require that your health score be displayed where customers can see. A local health department permit can cost anywhere from $60 to $2,000 depending on the city. You can contact your local health department via phone or email to request and schedule a visit from an inspector. If this video was helpful, please give us a thumbs up and check out the rest of the videos in this series for your food truck business. Thanks for watching and check out these other helpful videos. Do you need help? We also offer email consulting program. Check out down in the description of this video for links to our website.
Thanks for watching Marketing Food Online. And if you are looking to create your own food truck, start a home-based food business under the cottage food law, franchise a food operation, start a packaged food business, private label your own food product, sell on Amazon, get your own online store, or sell food online, remember to subscribe and check out these videos for more resources. Take care.